Hey Kim, started harvesting the tomatoes a week ago, so we're gonna do a little tomato review. You know, I was gone for 2 weeks, so things got a lot out of control. This is just 2 sweet pea currant plants. I have cut them back and tied them up. And we do have some tomatoes on them, but nothing ripe yet. But these are super prolific. They just keep shooting out suckers left and right, and I'm checking them every day and finding more and more that I gotta cut back. It's yeah, these guys are pretty crazy. But I have, oh, here's some of the tomatoes right here. Let's see if we can get a nice shot. See those? They really are flavorful for their tiny little size. Over here's my tomato bed with my 4 varieties. On the outside here, and I had to tie some up over here. The San Marzano. Look at how big these guys are down here. Look at this. Look at that. Here's my hand. These guys are huge. Those are the first ones to get fruit, and here's the second grouping, and here's on this second plant. Here's the grouping here. Let's see. Crazy, really big. Nobody's looking even remotely ripe yet. Within here, I think there was a couple. Oh, let's see, sorry. There's a ripe sweet pea currant. I picked most of them this morning. I have 3 of those plants in here, and as you can see, they've just gone nutty and into the neighbor's yard. Now on the outside here, these 2, so you're seeing this here. And then this here, let's see, this here, these plants here on this outside. And I think there's some more here. These are the beefsteak. And those have kind of vaulted off into a couple extra stems. I got these giant poles to try to keep them growing straight and tall. I've picked a few of them in here on this outside here, and let's see if I can find any down here. Nope. Boy. Well, anyway, here's one. These are the Brandywine, heirloom Brandywine, and these have really gotten the tallest. You can see how they're catching up to the tip of this, and I think this is 8 feet. Yeah, and this beautiful bunch right here, I had a really nice ripe one here yesterday. I was gonna pick it after work. Got busy with dinner, didn't come out here, and this morning it was beautifully red but half eaten. So that's what I'll be working on this afternoon, is putting up a little fencing here and seeing if we can save them. I'm also probably gonna start picking them when they are not totally ripe, just for safety measure. Yeah, and let's just take a step back. There you go, there's the tomatoes. You can see how big they've gotten. I also have these little, I'm not sure if these are Brandywines. I had a couple extra and stuck them in here. Yep, maybe I'll take a little video when I've done the fencing. Okay, so I put up just a couple of stakes, one here and one at this end over here that you can't really see there. And at the bottom, you can see that there's the chicken wire, and then I put the lighter plastic up top, so it would be easier to open and close if I was trying to get at those tomatoes myself. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how well it will work. You can see there's some tomatoes that are already above it forming, and you can see Cece down there enjoying some plant. I'm not really sure which one. Anywho, we'll see how that works for now. If I need to, I can add another section of that at the top. I don't know, I haven't even seen them get in there, so it's hard to know what they're doing. But that's that.